Right, and why? Ano nakikita mo in the future?
Well, first of all, there's nothing you can compare with the device. The reason why I'm standing here, magandang umaga po muna sa inyo. The reason why I'm standing here today, just to tell you exactly my story. I was wheelchair bound, I was dialysis bound. In 4 years, I suffered the biggest setback of my life. Maiyak na naman ako nito. Okay. I work in the medical field for 41 years, helping people get better. I'm part of the surgical team. It's called Intervention Radiology. And in 2019, I suddenly herniated my lumbar spine. My spinal cord is actually compromised. Kung alam niyo po yung spinal cord, yun po yung nagbibigay sa atin ng strength, you know, from the tip of our skull all the way down to our spine, dito sa baba po. It's called coccyx. Kung compromised po yun, for the most part, kung hindi kayo mapapagaling, malulumpo po kayo. And that's what I suffered. 4 years of painkillers, 4 years of intervention, you know, like cupping, physical therapy, acupuncture, and epidural. Kung alam niyo po ang ibig sabihin ng epidural, yun po yung sinasaksak ng malaking karayong sa likod ninyo at i-injection lang po kayo ng steroids, lidocaine, and all that. Every day po, all I do is pray to God na sana bigyan pa niya ako ng another opportunity and another chance to serve people like you guys.
Wow.
Okay? Imagine I served for 41 years and here I am, laying in bed, looking at the ceiling, and no one to talk to. Then after 4 years of all of that, my neuro doctor said, Pete, I can't give you any more medication because your kidney is already compromised. 9.2 po ang aking creatinine level. And sabi niya, there's only 3 things, sabi niya, that can happen after surgery. Either you're gonna be on a wheelchair for the rest of your life, you're gonna be paralyzed, or you may get better. Wala akong magandang option sa mga choices na yun. Pero one thing I know, God is with me.
Amen!
And I believe when one door opens, or when one door closes, another door will open for you.
Yes.
Do you agree with me?
Yes!
And I held on that promise. Sabi ni Lord, I'll never leave you nor forsake you.
Amen.
Never fear, I'll fight for you.
Amen.
I claim that victory. Every day I pray. Ay sabi ko kay Lord, if this is your will, sabi ko, your will be done. Wala naman tayong magagawa, di po ba? Pero dyan, namamatay at the age of 40 or even less. Why? Because that's the will of God. Wala tayong magagawa doon. So I have to accept that. Pero long and behold, dumating po si Tess sa bahay namin, kinatok po kami. And dinala po siya ng kaibigan namin. Dinala itong device na to. And I said, you know what, Tess, don't explain anything about the science of that. Sabi ko, just use it. Ginamit sa akin. Okay? I have arthritis, on top of my back pain, I have arthritis, sciatica, hamstring problem, knee problem, frozen shoulder, and plantar fasciitis. It's all interrelated because of the nerve. And guess what? After 20 minutes of therapy, the following day, my arthritis was gone.
Wow.
Completely gone. In 4 months, no pain, no medication. I was in Europe about 2 months ago, 13 hours on the plane. Then we drove from Venice to Austria, back to LA, no pain.
Wow.
I'm standing here po just to tell you, this is a unique product. There's nothing like it. This is a phenomenal product. The only reason why I'm here to thank your leaders, okay, and everyone on the Prive for giving us this opportunity to have this device on our hand. Huwag po kayong matatakot. Hindi po tayo ang may kailangan sa mga tao. Sila po may kailangan sa
Yes! At ang bonus, 3-star! And kahapon, nag-usap kami sa Sendosa, ang sabi niya, Mark, I'll be going for ambassador.
Yes! So, Doc, for 41 years of serving in the medical field sa US, Ngayon nyo lang po nakita ganito kagandang product.
Crazy.
Absolutely.
Crazy.
And yun po, kaya po doon, product done deal, kaya naging automatic 3-star po si Dr.
Yes!
Let me tell you, ang mga tao po sa US, sila na po ang kumakatok sa amin.
Wow.
Okay? And I can tell you, in the next 3 months, everyone in the US will have one device in their house.
Wow.
Kaya po yung narinig ko kanina about opening up a new venue, a new journey sa US, I can tell you, you can take it all the way to the bank.
Yes!
Nangyayari po yan.
Yes! Thank you very much,
Thank you,
Doc.
Doc. So ngayon, very, very honored po tayo dahil ang very reason kung bakit andito si Doktor ay ang new
I agree.